All right, just got my Power by the Hour harness. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. I've cut the tape off, but I haven't even opened it and looked inside. Got my invoice here. That might be backwards for you, but $1,400 US. By the time that converts to Canadian, with duties and the government's share, and after shipping was 35 bucks, whatever. $2,400 for this wire harness. That's honestly almost as much as I paid for the engine that's in this truck. So let's open this up. So this is going to be a transmission harness, and apparently it is for automatic and manual. That is the plug that goes into the 10R80. Driver side says passenger side on this plug. Transmission, driver side. I'll figure out what everything does on this, but that's a transmission harness. Nice little power distribution block. That'll go to either the body or the transmission harness. The engine harness or the transmission harness plug-in. There's a lot of these plugs on the engine harness for power distribution. And here is, that'll go to the ECU for power and power distribution. So yeah, PCM there, not ECU, PCM, powertrain control module. Got a lug that just comes loose here, so I'll figure that out as well. It is labeled alternator. Some documentation would be nice, but I think everything's labeled and self-explanatory at this point. I'm hoping this comes with the output shaft speed sensor connector on it, or connection. So I really don't want to have to cut into this and repin this harness, but I will if I need to. Let's open her up. This is the meat and the potatoes of this. Okay, there's an OBD2 port. They call that a DCL. There's only 5 wires needed into this thing. Okay, let's see what we got. That's going to be a battery ground. That's fan power, fuel pump power. So those will be nice to have because mine is up to ignition, and it is switched, but it's also kind of street strip truck. So that's the engine side of that plug. What is this single wire here? Trans harness. So there is a single output or a single wire on this trans harness here somewhere, right here. That single wire, plug into that. Overall, nicely done. Just very dear. I got the starter solenoid wire. That's cool. MAF sensor. I'm not sure I'll be using the MAF sensor. The option is there, and I need it. Maybe I will, but then we got the alternator harness. Okay, now we're getting into some more meat and potatoes. The throttle pedal. Well, let's strip this right apart here. So that's all connected to that. So we got okay, that's the OBD2, the throttle pedal, And we got some wires for, we got upshift. I won't be using that. Clutch switch, manual transmission only. That I will be using. Shift common, so that's also for upshift and downshift. And then we got downshift here. We got start, and this is keyed positive. So it's a nice kit. And since I couldn't figure it out my own way, I figured it out with Power by the Hour. So we'll go with that.